Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. In this video we are going to see the most easiest way to grow the garlic creeper from cuttings. Garlic creeper is an amazing vine, blooms throughout the whole year on and off. It's a perennial or permanent plant and doesn't need lots of maintenance. Here I have collected few branches from the same plant as you have seen just now. For better result, please try to take the stems like mine. The outer layer is brown as you can see. I recorded this footage in January month and I collected the stems as soon as they were about to stop flowering. It's a great thing that garlic creeper blooms throughout the whole year on and off. But please note that blooms don't last for many days. They produce lots of buds at once, then they bloom heavily, and after that they sit idle for next 3 to 4 months without blooming. We can expect heavy blooming like this only for 3 to 4 times a year, and that too if we are lucky. And in summer, if it rains after flowering, the petals get damaged instantly. While talking, I have prepared the cuttings and I believe you have already seen what I did. The steps are simple. Cut in 45-degree angle and next get rid of the leaves so that the stems don't dry out. After that, scratch on the bottom part, roughly around 1.5 to 2 inches. For the medium, I am using normal garden soil. Like I said before, they are easy to grow from cuttings and we don't need any fancy items. I am also not going to use any rooting hormone powder. But you can obviously do the things bit differently. Like for the medium, you can also use sand and you can use either rooting hormone powder or even aloe vera gel. Next, simply insert around 1.5 to 2 inches inside the soil and then press the soil gently. My garden soil was already wet, so did not water after planting the cuttings. If it's dry for you, please water well and next keep the pot only under indirect sunlight. Please wait for the updates. This is the result after 4 months and it was the month of June. Please note at the time of planting they were blooming and this is the first time I am getting flowers on my new cuttings. It really feels great and I got 100% success result. Not a single cutting failed, but please don't worry if you don't get same result. It's absolutely fine if some cuttings fail. In fact, I have many such experiences. You also don't have to wait for such long time. I usually do it so that I can show the flowers on my new cuttings. We can easily transplant them at this stage and it was after 45 days. Also please note spring is the best time to grow from cuttings and it took somewhat longer for me as I did in January. Propagating plants is really fun and by propagating we can save lots of money. I have many videos on growing plants from cuttings and if you are interested, please check out the next playlist. Hope you found this video useful and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching, truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.